Today we are looking at a Microsoft SQL backup that is encountering an error, and that's in regards to this database that is not available in an offline state. Now this is the log entry that you'll see when you encounter this issue. And when we see this offline state in the log, we have two options. I've got Portal pulled up here. We're already logged in as an admin user under the computers page. I've selected my server, and our SQL job has a completed with error. Now from the logging, we know that it's in an offline state, and that is either intentional or maybe there was an issue with it. If it's an intentional status for that database, we want to go in under the Select Action dropdown on the right side, select Edit Job, and then in the center pane, we're going to drop down for the entire instance, and we can select our particular database that's in an offline status and exclude it. After that, we'll save the job, and we can run the backup into a good state. For the moment, I know that Hangfire database needs to be included in the backup and there was just something wrong with the current status of it. So I'm going to remove that exclusion and just hit cancel on this dialog box here. To take a look at the status of that database within the instance on your server, you can use a tool such as SQL Server Management Studio. And because I'm an administrator here, I can log in with the Windows authentication, or you can use the SA password to log in by SQL Server authentication. And once you've got that pulled up, we're going to expand out databases. And we can see here that this Hangfire database is in an offline status. For whatever reason, it went offline, and I've talked to my database administrators to find out that maybe it was just in maintenance, anything along those lines, that we can bring it back online, and it's supposed to be online. To do so, right-click on the database, go to Tasks, and Bring Online. We can see it came back in a successful status. If it did not come back successful, that would require further investigation in the SQL software. From here, we're going to jump back to Portal, run the job, and take a look at the status now that everything's back online. And there we have it. The backup is now completed, so I'll close this window here. I'm going to refresh the interface by clicking on Computers. I'll expand out my server here, which we can see is in a green checkmark OK status, as well as that job has a green checkmark showing completed. And everything's looking good there. If you have any questions about this process, go ahead and comment down below, and we'll catch you in another video. See ya.